Chesney Park, right in front of the Fastenal store. Car corner pace car to the infield. Field. Building up speed. The wings of speed. On a 4, it is. Green flag. 8 laps will make up the Wing Women on Wheels. Awards by Jody. Feature event. Cassidy Frisch. Cassidy Frisch with the early lead in that 32 car. Ashley Matz, the 66, holding on to second. Shauna Myers in her rookie season, bringing up third. Whoa, Myers sideways. Ashley Matz, eyeball on the inside of that 32 car. Myers gaining but loses it as she goes up into the turn, scrubs off the speed. Cassidy Frisch, a former Wing Women on Wheels champion, holds down that first spot. Ashley Matz has her in her eyesight. Matz, also a former champion in the Wing Women on Wheels. And your defending champ. So the battle is on. 5 laps. 5 laps, 6 laps down out of this 8-lap heat race. You can see Matt slowly inching ahead. Feature race, I mean. White flag flies. It's all or none for Ashley Matz. Flags flying in the air. It's going to be Cassidy Frisch, Ashley Matz, Shauna Myers. The Wing Women on Wheel feature. Down a few cars, a couple of those unable to make it. A couple some mechanical issues. She pulls into victory lane tonight. Up next, it is the Sixer feature. 22 Sixer cars will attempt the feature for 15 laps. Coming up next, but congratulations to your awards by Jody Wing Women on Wheels winner. Let's let her get out of the car. Let her hear you how we appreciate her. Hey, she's crawling out of the car. Let's put our hands together for Cassidy Frisch.